So if you like to create an actual video in Canva with music, the process actually is not that hard. So the first thing I wanted to do is to start by signing in really quick. So you can generate an actual Canva account totally for free. You don't have to pay absolutely for anything. And once you are directly inside here, you see that what I do to make this process really fast is to focus into the upper left corner that says create, this huge purple button that says create. Once I am directly inside here, you wanted to focus for the element that says videos. It is going to be really important to choose videos because it won't show you the actual timeline when you wanted to generate an actual video. I'm going to choose the one that says mobile video template, and I'm going to head back. I'm going to look out for, let's say, social media, and I go for, let's say, Instagram story. I wanted to show you only a quick difference between the normal editor of Canva and the editor of the video. So you can see that we can automatically see the actual templates elements of an actual social media section. Here's the editor, and that's it. If you chose the video element, you can see that here we now have the actual timeline. So make sure that you chose this specific template, otherwise you needed to check out that information directly to the file element and you need to enable this. But to make this process much more faster, you want to make sure that you're using an actual video template. So this is the first step. The second step, for example, is that you needed to add the perfect track. So you wanted to click directly into the audio tab into elements. And usually what I do, where it says browse categories, I go for the option that says audio. Directly inside here, you're able to record your own voiceover. You can generate AI voices, or you can add popular music, or even add your own music. To add your own music, you can focus directly to this X that says uploads. Go for upload my files. And here what you can do is to upload the actual files of a song that you have. For example, I'm going to go for desktop, and I can choose, for example, this one, and I go for open. Automatically it's going to be paired into the category of audio. That means that if I just clicked directly into this element, it will be automatically added directly into this element. Now by default we only have the 5 seconds length, so what you can do is to stretch your element a little bit more. But first, of course, what we need to do is to make sure that my video has the length of more than 5 seconds. So make sure that you have now selected that element. So basically what I need to do is to add a first media. Usually what I do is to add this into blank, and I wanted to scroll this for the maximum size that I would like to get started. In my case, I'm going to stick around with 15 seconds, and you can see that automatically the audio will be let's say adjusting by itself. So if you double click the actual audio, you can try to just scroll where your actual song would like to get started. When you finish selecting that element, you just click elsewhere, go for the first element once again, and go for play. Perfect. Now I can add a new element directly inside here. Let's get for element once again, and let's say that I wanted to get started adding the actual video. So let's say, for example, here into templates I will type rainy night, something like that. So as you can see, there's an actual result of rainy elements. So what I do is just to select the template. If this template works for you, then you're actually good to go. In my case, for example, I think that I could stick around with this element, and there we go. Now the last thing that I'd love to do is to, for example, add let's say like a quote. So let's say, for example, that I wanted to get started with Gemini. So with Gemini, let's say, for example, give me a sad but hopeful quote so everybody relates. Select my actual title, double click, and try to change this for you. So when I finish with my actual video, even what you can do is to select your audio, and here into the option that says bit synced, usually it will be helping you that the pages elements will be automatically timed to the actual music, which I think is going to be really great. You can display the beat markets if you wanted to check out and to find the actual beats into your audio tracks to make this element much more faster. They even had fades, they have the sleeped element, there are captions that I believe that it can be really useful. In my case, I will be sticking around only with this version, and what I'm going to be doing here now is that I'm going to head for the element that says show, hit for download, and you have an actual quality stats. Usually we have 1080 for streaming, you have 4K. For the 4K is only available for a Canva Pro version, and the Canva Pro version has up to $25 per month. So you want to be trying to, if you want to try this for free, you can click directly inside here. If you don't, you can just stick around with the free version. I'm going to stick around with only the free version, so that would be actually okay for me. I'm going to go for share. Let's go for download, and just wait a few seconds till Canva downloads this directly through your computer. So when you finish downloading this element, you wanted to save this as, let's say for example, trial number 2, hit it to download, and you can watch this directly into your, in my case, into my file explorer. So make sure that you chose MP4 video in order to continue, so you're actually good to go. So here it should be appearing my actual MP4 video download. I'm gonna hit for OK, and I'm gonna just go for space, and here's my actual video. So when you finish with this, you're actually good to go. So basically, you hit for the share button, you're actually good to go. If you want to see more video shortcuts, there are more cheat sheet, for example, that we can be helping you to do this much more faster. You can click the link in the description to check out more about it. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, guys, if you want to see more great tools like this. Thank you so much for watching the video, and hopefully with all this being said, we can see you next time.